Anke here with a mixed media Monday layout and process video featuring the September hit kits. For today's layout I used the stencil and the shimmers paint from the September color kit and one of the October cut files, the leaves and icons cut file. I cut the leaves from white cardstock and backed them with the Pinkfish Studio The Best Day Hello Fall paper and the Hip Kit Club exclusive September Days So Many Reasons paper. A layer of modeling paste using the stencil which is included in the September color kit and let it dry. I love the white on white look and the texture the modeling paste adds to my layout. While the paste is drying, I paint some leaves using the Orange Sherbet Shimmers paint, which is also included in the September color kit. Then I embellish my photo with one of the Pinkfish Studio The Best Day chipboard frames, which you can find in the September embellishment kit, and layer it with one of the fabric pockets which are included in the September main kit and 2 cards from the September Pocket Life kit. I pick out some of the Pinkfish Studio Floral Ephemera die cuts and arrange them around my photo, combined with some of the leaves. I trim my cardstock to 9 by 12 inches and bag it with the Hipkit Club September Days Pass Me a Note paper and adhere photo and die cuts. My title is a combination of a word die cut from the Pinkfish Studio Ephemera pack, which is included in the September main kit, and one of the exclusive September Days puffy phrase stickers. one of the Pinkfish Studio cardstock stickers from the September Pocket Life kit and one of the Pinkfish Studio chipboard flares from the September embellishment kit. And I finish off with some animal dots. My layout is finished and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me today.